These gray clouds take me back to the autumn rains I once knew. Along the old abandoned tracks, with the girl that I love true. We danced down a dead-end street, knowing there was no way out. Just happy for the rain, skipping through the leaves on the ground, skipping through the leaves on the ground. Autumn rain, memories on my window pane, long gone like an old freight train, leaving me in my washed out pain in the autumn rain. These rains are like a mystic key that opens up the door of years. I step through and I find me, until the vision disappears. I wish I could reverse the flow and get time back somehow, but like